Daddy's calling.
Oh. Hello, honey. How are you? Jennifer is fine.
Honey, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. You just have to pardon me. I won't be able to come home tomorrow like I promised.
Oh, no. Not again. This is the second time you're postponing your return. And the last time you came, you didn't even stay up to 1 week with us.
I'm sorry about that. It's a situation beyond my control. I'm so sorry. Please, I'll find a way to make up. It's really not my fault. I'm really very sorry.
You will have to explain that to her yourself. You know she's still very mad at you for missing her impressive performance in school last week.
All right, no problems. Let me talk to her. I'll put her on the phone. I know if I call her, she won't pick my calls.
Honey, come and talk to your dad.
If it's to tell me that he won't come home like he promised, I'm not interested.
Babe, she won't talk to you. She's still very angry.
All right, no problems. I know my daughter, I understand. But I have to go. Yes, I have to go. I have an urgent call at the headquarters. I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
Why is Dad doing this to us, Mom? Why? Can't he quit this his God-forsaken job and spend quality time with us?
Come. Please come.
Obedient to you. Not just you.
I know you're mad at your dad, okay? But your dad is trying so hard to put food on our table. You know he loves you and cares about us. So you have to be very understanding, please, okay? Everything he's doing is for our sake. Hope you know your daddy loves you. You know that, yeah?
Yes, Mom.
All right. You know what? I want to take you out. Where do you want to go to?
Let's go and eat food.
Food. I know you're going to say food. Oh yeah, let's go.
Yeah, that's fine. Irene now.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Captain Martins. I summoned you here to inform you that your takeoff time to Jos with the troop will be in next 14 hours later today.
All right, sir. But, sir, the pass that I asked for, I've not gotten any feedback, sir.
You don't need to worry. The adjutant will still review your application.
But, sir, this is the second time I'm asking for that.
Obey the last command, Captain Martins. Or do you want to assume with me?
Not at all, sir.
Then you have to leave.
Sir.
Please, sir. Please, what do you guys want, sir?
Get down! Who else is in this house?
No one, sir. No one, sir.
I can see that you want to play pranks with me. I said, who else is in this house?
I swear there's no one else in this house. I'm just the only one at home.
Spider. Yes, boss. Search inside. Yes, boss.
Please, sir, what?
Shut up!
Whatever you guys want, you can just go ahead and carry it. I'm the only one in this house.
Woman! Get down! If I get you, I'll blow off your brain! Please! Leave my daughter alone! Get down! Leave my daughter alone, please!
What do you guys want, please? Anything you want, we have jewelry, we have a lot of things in the house. We don't have money left somewhere, please. We can get it.
You have money. You want to give me money?
Yes, sir, please. You can go ahead and carry anything you want.
Now, where is that your hardcore husband that parades himself as an officer?
My husband is not around. He's at his workplace, sir.
Yes, I know. Now your husband went ahead to spoil my operation. He spoiled the operation of my team. And I believe this is the best time for me to take my pound of flesh at him.
Sir, please, whatever my husband has done to you guys, please forgive him. Temper justice with mercy, sir.
I should forgive him.
Yes, sir.
I can see that it is easy for you to say. But you have no idea of what that's your husband, that bastard, did to me and my team.
Please, sir.
Don't worry. At the time I finish dealing with you and your daughter, then you will call me a beast!
What's like about this woman? Come on!
Scorpion! Boss. Go and ransack everywhere. Put your face down!
Don't look at them, okay? Just stay with me. Stay with me.
Just don't worry, it's okay.
Boss, what did you find? Very good.
Boss, we have all the jewelry that is in this house.
Damn. Woman!
Sir?
Captain Martins, or whatsoever they call him. He joined forces with his team to stop my operation and come to take of it. It did something that cost me millions, and also the life of my brother. My only brother! And you want me to forgive you?
Sir, please, temper justice with mercy.
Shut up! I am here to take away everything that belongs to me.
Sir, please, still, in the name of God, please just temper justice with mercy.
I will make him regret everything. Yes, I will make him regret.
Oh yes.
is going about parading himself as a hard man, as a hard officer who can defend his country. So I want him to come and defend you. Defend his family. I want him to save you from our hands.
Sir, please, whatever it is between you and him, please. Just forgive.
Forgive. So you think it's so easy to forgive? Okay. Well, this is a good time to have everything I ever planned for.
Show one, boss.
Yeah, I think this is the time to take everything from Captain Martins or whatsoever is called. Come and lie down.
What?
Lie down!
Yeah.
What are you trying to do, boss? Not in the presence of this cage.
It's personal.
Please, oh, please. Please. Please, no. Get out! No, please. Please. Oh my God, please. Please, sir, please. I beg you in the name of God, please. In the name of whatever you worship, please. Sir, please. Please don't do this. Please, sir. Sir, please don't do this. No.
This is not our plan!
She's becoming a threat!
This is not our plan! Everybody get out! Let's go! Get out!
How are they? Where is my granddaughter and my daughter-in-law?
Mama, calm down. Calm down. The doctor is attending to them, okay?
Please, my son, take me to them, oh? Because...
Mama, calm. I just said very soon you'll see them, okay? Very soon. Yes.
Good day, Mr. Justin.
Doctor, how are you? Please, what's the situation now?
Madam, hello, Mr. Justin.
How are
The
you?
little girl is sleeping right now, but hopefully she'll be awake.
Doctor, please, take me to my grandchild and my daughter-in-law, Biko. Oh,
Please,
I want to see them now.
Calm down. Everything will be fine.
Doctor, please, how about the mother?
Well, she already lost a lot of blood before she was rushed down to the hospital.
Hi.
I tried her like food, but she gave up.
What? Doctor, is that what?
No.
Hey! Mama. No. Eh?
Tried like...
No, it's not possible.
No.
Hey! No! Hey!
She's awake.
My baby. Hey,
Where am I?
She's awake.
Let me quickly go and tell them that she's awake.
Yes, please. No. Hey.
Jennifer, how do you feel?
My head. Don't say it. Just my back is paining. You'll be fine.
Yes, you'll be fine. Okay, let me go and get her dress so that she can take the after lessons.
Good. Please hurry up, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lord.
Sorry.
Where is my mom?
Your mother, she's there. Don't worry, regain your strength first.
Your mother?
Take you to your mother.
She's fine. Yes.
I'm fine. I need to see her.
No, my dad.
Jennifer, you're not feeling too strong. Regain your strength first. I'll take you to go and see your mom.
Yes.
I promise you that, okay? Okay?
Why is she crying?
Mom. Oh no, she's crying because of your condition. No, yeah, your mother is okay.
Mama,
stop now. What is wrong? What is it?
No, nothing. What happened to my mom? She's fine.
How is she? She's okay. She's okay.
Regain your strength first.
Let me take my mom.
No, regain your strength first. I'll take you to go and see your mom, okay? Yes.
Captain Martins, I am sorry for the unfortunate incidents that occurred at your residence. And we are taking a reconsideration on your past application. So you are free to leave. This is your official pass. You have from now till 4 weeks to stay with your family. Take it.
Thank you, sir.
Captain, take heart. Be a man. I know that a lot is going right there in your mind, but you will definitely overcome them. Do not be too hard to yourself. Please.
Thank you, sir. Permission to leave, sir.
Carry on, Captain.
Is going about parading himself as a hard man, as a hard officer who can defend his country. So I want him to come and defend you, defend his family. I want him to save you from our hands.
Sir, please, whatever it is, please. Just forgive.
Forgive. So you think it's so easy to forgive? Okay. Oh. This is a good time to have everything I ever do. Come on, lie down.
What?
Lie down!
Please, please. Please, no.
Get down!
Please, sir, please, I beg you, in the name of God, please, in the name of whatever you worship, please, sir, please,
Jenny, stop this. You're going to hurt yourself.
They molested and killed my mother because of my father.
Jenny, I understand how it feels.
No, you don't. You don't understand. Do you know how it feels? Do you know how it feels to watch strange men try to rape your mother? And she was pregnant. I was sure she was going to give me a younger brother. Now she's gone. She's gone. She's gone.
Jenny, you have to take it easy on yourself. At least we thank God you are alive.
No. What am I thanking God for? What is the use of my life without my mother? What is the use of my life without my mother?
Jenny, you still have your father. Huh? Your father is still here for you.
Please don't call that man me again. I hate him. I hate him so much. If my father was there, all this would not have happened. If my father was there, maybe my mother would be alive by now. I don't know. My mother just take me with her. She would have taken me with her.
It's okay, Jenny. It's okay. It's okay. Okay? Don't hurt yourself. You're going to hurt yourself if you continue like this.
Oh, Mama. Good morning.
Hello. Hey. This morning that you're up early preparing breakfast, are you planning to go somewhere?
No. I just want to make sure food is ready before my daughter wakes up.
No. Not to the detriment of your sleep. You should have allowed me do it.
Don't worry, Mother. I need to start getting used to it. If my wife was here, she would have been the one doing these things, but she's gone, so I need to start doing some of them now.
Son, I know that you're trying to make it up to your daughter for what happened weeks ago, but none of this is your fault.
It's my fault, Mother. Believe me, it's my fault. And I give all my time to my job. I should have been there for my family.
I understand how you feel, son. But nobody would have printed that things will happen this way. Eh? You don't need to be hard on yourself. Stop blaming yourself for what happened. You're also hurt. And you need consolation too. Please, my son. Take it easy, okay?
Thank you, Mama.
Well, I can see you're almost done. I'll be waiting at the dining. I trust your magic fingers.
Dad, good morning.
I made breakfast, so I came to take you so you can eat.
I'm not hungry, Dad.
You need to eat. You eat and then you take your medications for today.
Dad, I said I'm not hungry. Do you want to force me to eat? Please leave my room, Dad.
Jennifer, we can't continue like this. Right?
Daddy, please. Leave my room.
Son, why are you like this and where is your daughter?
She's in her room.
Is she not supposed to be here with us to have breakfast?
She said she doesn't want to eat.
What else does she say?
But I don't want to talk about it.
I think I know what this is all about. I will not sit here and watch that little girl push my son into depression. No, it won't happen.
Mother, just leave her.
I will not. Jennifer, why didn't you follow your father to the dining?
Grandma, I'm not hungry.
And what do you mean by that? Why do you keep disrespecting your father and blackmailing him emotionally?
Because he wasn't there when it mattered the most. All he cares is his work. He loves his work more than his own family.
Jennifer, my dear, you may not understand the many sacrifices your father has been making for you before now. But trust me, you will begin to see them clearer as you grow. Please, my daughter, purge away whatever grudges you bear against him. Oh?
I'm sorry. I can't.
I hope you realize that your late mother will not be happy with you wherever she is right now. You need your father's love and affection now more than ever.
Grandma, I don't need that man's love and affection. He should take it to his military work.
At first, I thought it was just the pain and trauma of what happened. But I'm beginning to feel that you're just being vindictive.
Wow. You see that man there? I hate him so much. And there is nothing that would change my mind unless he brings my mother back to life.
Blood of Jesus! I didn't hear that. Martin, your daughter's recent attitude in this house is becoming a bigger case for worry. I think it's high time you hire a maid to look after her and to care for her needs. This is suddenly going to become unbearable for you very soon.
I don't think I want to do that.
And why not? What about your job? Who is going to look after her? You really need to hire a maid, an older adult preferably, because you can't continue like this.
All that will not be necessary, Mother. I'm already thinking of quitting my job.
What did you just say? I can see you're beginning to lose it. If you quit that job, where do you intend to raise money to support your family? Where?
The job is the reason I lost my wife in the first place. Same reason my daughter is now acting this way. Same reason I've not been able to give her the fatherly love and attention that she deserves. My job.
Son, I understand the guilt you feel within you, but that shouldn't be the case. You don't need to be hasty in this decision. Please.
I've already made up my mind. I'll do it. I'll find a way to take care of my daughter. I'll find another job, and I know I'll take care of my daughter. I'll take very good care of her, even if it costs me a fortune. I will. I already failed my family. I failed my family because I was so busy rendering selfless service to my country. It's time to take care of my family.
It's okay, son. You pull through, okay? I understand your plight. I've been thinking, maybe we should speak to Cynthia's mom to allow her come spend some time with Jennifer. She's always cheerful whenever she's around her friend. And as for the meal, I will serve her in her room as soon as I'm done eating. Okay? Please, eat your food. It's getting cold already.
Bro, are you you sure this is what you want? I mean, think about it. Because the economy is not smiling at anyone. The other day we saw one video online. A girl collected 1 million naira from a man she saw online. And the man ended up killing her. You see, why I'm saying this is for her not to fall a victim. Yes.
Yeah. The more reason I need to be there for her more than I used to. I have to. She needs fatherly love right now. I need to do everything possible to fill up the vacuum that my wife's death created in her heart.
Are you resigning from the military because your daughter is mad at you? Or you want to resign for you to take care of her?
I can't say which one for now, but I know it's the right thing to do.
Or did you realize how burdensome that can be on you?
I know, bro. I know, but I need to do it. I believe it will ease the guilt that I feel in my heart. Besides, things will happen to a man, but a man never stays down. No matter what, you get up, take your decisions and move with it. In the next couple of days, I'll resign from the army. Everything in my possession belonging to the Nigerian army, I'll hand it over to them. And then I'll see what life brings from there.
Bro, I understand how you feel. But I know very soon, Jennifer will realize that you meant well for her. Yes. But of course, she's a child. So I'm not surprised with the way she reacts. Yes. So, I'm sorry about the whole thing.
Thank you. I must be honest, sir. It has not been easy for me. I failed my family. I failed them. It hurts me. My relationship with my daughter has been bruised. She now despises me so much and gives me great concern, sir.
I feel your pain. I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir. I have come to tender my resignation, sir. I have served in the Nigerian army for many years, and I have defended my country. I believe it's time for me to go home and be there for my daughter. She needs me right now more than ever.
Anyway, Captain, I'm not going to try persuading you against your decision. But I must let you know one important thing. The very day you got recruited into the army was the very day you vowed to live or sacrifice your life to others. All these things that have been happening, none of them is your fault. You have paid all your dues. The force is certainly going to miss you. Your commitment, your diligence, hard working, and every other thing the force is getting from you. Captain,
Sir.
I wish you all the best in your next adventure.
Thank you very much, sir. As I leave now, I'll tender my ID card and every other thing in my possession belonging to the Nigerian army.
One more thing, Captain.
Sir.
You you have to take care of your mental health. Don't be too hard on yourself. Time will heal this wound.
Thank you, sir. Permission to leave, sir.
Go ahead. Captain, this sleeping army. An intelligent captain.
A daughter is a special thing, a gift from God above, and I would give her anything, shower her with care and love, 'cause it gives me joy through the years to watch you grow. So believe me, child, when I say I love you so. I'm no Superman, I'm just an ordinary father. Try to do the best I can for my family.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
I came to see a friend of mine around the neighborhood. So while passing, I decided to branch by and say hi.
Oh, I see. That's very nice of you. Yeah, I'm just coming from our headquarters.
Headquarters?
Yes.
That reminds me. Mama told me that you want to resign from your service. Is that true?
My brother, I've been in the Nigerian army for years. And even though I love defending my country, I've come to realize that family comes first. Yes, family first. So that's why I want to do it. My daughter, you know what happened. And so I need to be close to her right now. She needs me. She needs me. She's all I have.
I understand. I totally understand. But I just hope this does not affect you in turn, considering the fact that this is the job that has kept you financially stable all these years.
I know, but a man has to do what a man has to do. I'm a strong man now. I'll always find a way. Yes. I've made some plans, put in some deals here and there. I believe things will work out.
I wish you all the best, sir.
Thank you. Why don't you come inside? Let's do a drink.
Actually, I have an appointment to catch up with. Why not next time?
Okay. No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
You may hate me because you don't understand the things I do for you. I'm your daddy and I can't stop loving you. No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. There's nothing in the world I wouldn't do, 'cause I'm your daddy who loves you.
Hey, no, you're back.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you. Jenny, I got this for you.
Cynthia, take me to my room.
Oh, your dad got you something.
Are you going to take me to my room or don't worry, I'll do it myself.
Yes, I got it.
No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. For you, there's nothing I want.
It's okay, my son. Please, don't take it to heart, okay? It's alright. So, how did it go?
Well, I've handed over everything in my possession that belongs to them.
Okay. That's good. So, what next?
I've got plans. I've got plans.
It's okay, son.
Jennifer, listen, I think it's high time you stopped disrespecting your dad in such manner. My dear, you need to calm down. You're hurting that man.
Do I look like I care? Whatever he's feeling is nothing to compare to how he made me feel. Because of him, I'm now without a mother.
Would you rather lose him or become an orphan?
Let him die! Do I look like I care? Listen, I grew up without seeing my father occasionally in this house. All he cares about is his work and nothing else.
Jenny, I am your friend. And if I must be honest with you right now, you need to calm down. You really have to calm down.
Cynthia, can you stop painting me as the devil here? My father deserves every bit of what he's feeling right now. Yes. And if the only reason you're here is to judge me by my action, then I think it's better you stop coming.
Wait a minute. Are you indirectly asking me out of your house and I should stop coming here to see you?
Oh, really? That's fine. No. Wait. Cynthia, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way, please. It's just that I miss my mother.
I understand, my dear friend. But you need to calm down.
I miss my mother so much. I just wish she was here with me. I wish my mother was here with me.
I understand. I know how you feel.
Oh, you don't understand. You don't understand.
It's okay. Look at me. Your dad will take care of you just the way your mom would have done.
No. Just don't mention that man's name. Don't. It's because of him all this is happening to me.
It's okay. Just stop crying. You need to come out of this. It's okay. Jenny.
Yes, I just sent you the plot number to forward to your client. Yeah, of course. Please finalize with them so I can also finalize with my client. Okay. No, it's tagged at 15 million naira, but it's slightly negotiable. That's okay, thank you. Sure. Well, Mr. Martin, I just finished speaking to one of our agents, and in a couple of days, we'll have a lot of buyers. Then you will have the liberty to sell to the highest bidder. What do you think? Mr. Martin? Mr. Martin? Mr. Martin?
Sorry, what were you saying?
I was relating to you that I spoke with one of our agents, and soon enough we'll get buyers for the plot we just uploaded on our social media pages. And then you'll be at liberty to sell to the highest bidder.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. Well, aren't you leaving with your land document?
I forgot.
Mr. Martin, are you sure you're fine? You don't look bright ever since you got in here. Are you sure?
Yes, I am. Thank you once again.
Whatever it is, just take it easy, have a lot of rest. I'm sure everything will be okay. And soon enough, we'll have good news. Alright. Have a good day.
No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. For you, there's nothing I won't do. I'm your daddy who loves you. No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. There's nothing in my life more important than
My little angel, my darling daughter. You may never understand right now. If only you could see or feel how heavy my heart is to have rendered you motherless at this age. I don't know if I'll ever forgive myself. I just want you to know that I love you. You are my child, and I'm your father. I will always love you. Jennifer, I know how you feel. I understand the way you feel. I know I know you're upset with me. I know it will take time before you can, get back to your normal self. I understand. But right now, I need a very important information from you. You're a very smart girl. You're my daughter. I know you. Very intelligent. I need you to try to recall the night of the robbery. Did you notice anything, some signs, or did you see their faces? Just anything at all that I can use to track those guys?
Well, Daddy, the only thing I know I can't remember is a tall, dark guy saying you and your joint task force stopped their robbing operation. And during that process, he lost his brother. Yes, he's tall, dark, and there is this selling written on his cap.
Good morning, Mr. Martin. How are you doing today? Well, I just called to inform you that I have 2 prospective buyers. Yes, and you don't have to stress yourself, with the documents. You don't need to bring them here. I'll just drop by after work and pick them up wherever you are, if that's okay by you. Okay, thank you. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Okay, let's see what.
Life has many challenges, but I'm no Superman. I promise always to be there for you, do the best I can. You may hate me because you don't understand the things I do for you. But I'm your daddy and I can't stop loving you. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, my love will never go away. No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. I'll never turn my back on you. I'm your daddy who loves you. No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. Give me your ever love so true. I'm your daddy who loves you.
Aha, just hold on. I forgot to get her some fruits. Go to the junction, buy her some bananas, apples, and other fruits.
Take you inside now.
My darling, I'll take you inside.
No, I don't want your fruit. Take me inside this minute.
It's all right, I don't want to take her inside.
My son, you're back.
Yes.
How did he go?
Fine.
Hi.
Yes, fine. According to the doctor, in a few weeks she'll walk again.
Oh.
The special grace of God. He just said we should continue giving her drugs and specified diets for her.
Thank God. At least it's good news. Oh, now. I don't like the way you look. You look so weary and I don't like it. Please, my son, no matter what it is, you need to take your mind off this mode. Please. I will die if anything happens to you. Be gone, one. You know, gone?
Nothing.
Please.
Let's go. Let's go.
Honey, really missed you. You kept postponing your return.
Forgive me, I missed you too. Like, I missed both of you. I missed you and I missed you. I missed you so much. Forgive me, it's not entirely my fault. Yes, I asked for a pass, but they wouldn't give me. I told them I wanted to come see my family for the first time this year, but they wouldn't let me. Instead, something came up and I was assigned to lead a QRF team all the way to Niger State.
Dad, what is QRF?
You go, bro. I know you, always inquisitive. I like that. Well, QRF in the army means Quick Reaction Force. It's a team that is designed to respond quickly to combat or respond to arising situations.
That explanation is enough for her level. Before I'll wake up one day and hear that our daughter is planning to join the Nigerian army.
Well, that won't be a bad thing. It's good to serve your country. But I know my daughter, she wants to be a journalist.
Yes, Dad. I want to be renowned as late Demigiwa.
I like that. High five.
Jenny, you are going to graduate and become an accountant, or at least an economist, so that you'll be respected like the likes of Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Which one is journalist? Eh? Those people that get paid just to spread propaganda.
Sweetheart, take it easy. Give the little girl a break. Let her choose her course.
Oh, on the contrary, baby, we are duty bound to set her straight. Now, case closed.
You cannot close the case. Not yet, I object.
What happened to table manners?
Oh, we've all violated it already.
Can we eat now?
Show appreciation for what Jehovah has done for you. Show appreciation for what Jehovah has done for you. How do you feel when a friend gives you a beautiful gift? Likely, it makes you very happy, and you want to show your friend that you appreciate this gift. Jesus gave us the greatest gift we can ever receive. Now tell me.
Honey,
Are you done?
you're reading her stories for her.
Speechless, look.
Sweetheart, I hope they're not going to take you away from us so soon this time. The last time you returned, you barely stayed up to 2 weeks.
My pass this time is for 3 weeks.
I knew it. What is all this now? When will I mean, why can't I feel the arms of a man around me? You're making our daughter to beg for love and attention.
Please calm down. Calm down.
Please don't tell me to calm down. Last year you came home just 3 times. You even missed our daughter's award ceremony organized by the state government. You're really punishing her, baby.
It's not my fault. I'm doing this for us. You know, I expect you to understand.
There is nothing to understand. Why won't these people understand that you have a family to take care of? Eh?
Sweetheart, it's not fair. It's really not fair. We can't keep going through this over and over again. I'm doing this for our future.
Lies. You're not doing this for us. You're doing this for your unflinching passion for your job, and you know it. Suit yourself if that is what you want. Captain Martins Ogbono. Martins, enough is enough with you in this house. It shouldn't always be about you.
What is wrong with you? Why are you being illogical?
Oh, I'm being illogical because I complained about you not spending enough time with your family.
For God's sake, I have to work. What is wrong with you? Spend time with my family. I need to work. I wouldn't be the first or last married man to work in the Nigerian army. Someone has to put food on our table, and that person is me. I'm the head of the house.
Oh, stop sounding that way because I'm contributing my own quarter.
Please, contribute what? Contribute from where? The business I started for you. All right? How did I get the money? From the job that I do. So what are you talking about?
Why are you sounding as if I'm just complaining about our welfare? Baby, for the past 10 years, I've not been able to spend up to 1 full month with you. I'm a woman for crying out loud and I have needs. I don't even want to begin to complain about Jennifer, our daughter. She's always yearning for fatherly love and attention and you're not always there to give it to her. You better stop looking for a way to make it up to her before it becomes too late.
You're taking this too far. Believe me, you are taking this too far and I don't like it. You're starting to disrespect me. Very soon, Jennifer will become an adult. And believe me, she will understand.
Hey, I'm sorry, Mr. Martin, to have kept you waiting. Just that I didn't close early as I had planned to.
That's all right. Please sit.
Thank you.
All right, would you like to join me in this?
Well, no for now. At least until we finalize business.
All right. Here you go.
Okay.
The photocopies of the land documents.
Okay. Yes. Perfect. So I'll just go ahead and finalize with the highest bidder. But before then, of course, we'll have to talk about the percentage, that you'll be giving to the agency, which of course has been slated for 10%. And that should fall between, say, 150,000 naira. I mean, depending on the final price, of course. The final price agreed. Yes. Mr. Martin. Mr. Martin, you haven't been listening to me. What's wrong? Same thing happened the last time you visited my office. Is everything fine?
Oh. I'm fine. I wouldn't want to bore you with my story.
Well, it's no bother. At least I'm here now. That's if you want to talk to me. I could give you a listening ear. I perceive you need it, at least so your mental health will not be threatened.
Armed robbers came to my house. They tried to rape my wife. She struggled with them. In the process, they shot her. And she died. My teenage daughter witnessed all this. She tried her best to stop them. She couldn't. As a result, she sustained an injury. As we speak, she cannot walk.
Oh my God. I am so sorry. Truly sorry. Well, if I may ask, where were you when all of this was happening?
I was away on duty. I used to be a soldier with the Nigerian Army. I resigned a few days ago. Welcome to my humble abode.
You have a nice place.
Thank you. And what are you still doing sitting down? You see a visitor, you get up and greet.
Your daughter?
Yes, if you see a visitor, you get up and no, wait. She'll greet you first.
Dad, you're welcome.
Greet.
Good day, Ma. Delighted to meet you. She's beautiful.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Whoa. Once again, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Alright, so what do I offer you?
Well, anything cold?
Anything cold. Alcohol?